Are you looking to develop a real estate but not sure how to start? Welcome to this channel. Here you will find the videos that teach you how to develop and own more real estate. So in this video, we're going to talk about what type of real estate product to develop. Think supply and demand. Supply what's in demand. So either understand an area and know what this area needs and develop these products, or figure out what do you want to develop and find an area that needs your products. So how do you identify what the people want in this area? In my opinion, the best way is to approach an end user. So if you're developing multifamily, a purpose-built rental, ask whoever is renting in this area and ask them questions such as, how do you like living in this area? How do you like living in this building in particular? What should the owner or the property manager do to make you a happier tenant here? And if you're developing custom homes, let's say, ask the user, what kind of amenities would you like to have? And this is a real life example. One of my friends develops custom homes. And these homes, because they are so big and expensive, they're actually generational living properties, meaning the older generation also lives in this building with the younger generations. And because the older people are not good with stairs, they need an elevator to go from the second floor to the basement. So if you're developing custom homes, you will likely want to have an elevator in your design. This is what I mean by understanding what your clients want. Don't overthink it though. Keep it simple. When you're starting out, you likely don't know what product to create. In this case, develop your prototype and show it to your clients or potential clients and see if they like it. Or go to a few sites and see what other people are developing. That way it's going to give you an idea of what's in demand. Alternatively, you can also ask realtors to get an idea of what area needs. Good realtors usually are staying on top of the market trends by making sure you're speaking to qualified realtors that know about your niche. The official plan and the secondary plans from the city will also give you an idea of what your area needs. But I do find the data in these reports sometimes are lagging, meaning they don't truly reflect what's currently in demand. Besides finding out the local demand, also ask yourself these questions when deciding what kind of real estate to create. Other people are happy and making profits from developing retail plaza doesn't mean you should go and develop retail plazas. Find something that resonates with you, something that gets you excited. Here's a list of questions to ask yourself to see what you will find the longevity in. Why do you want to develop real estate? Is it just to earn passive income for retirement? Or you like building stuff and selling stuff? Or do you want to develop a building so when people see this building, people will remember you and what you did? Because that's what Joseph Cahill did with the Sydney Opera House. Most importantly, what makes you happy? Are you happier chasing deals, keep building and selling properties? Or are you happier holding on to a few quality assets and earn income from these? What's your financial strength? Are you in a position to develop a 500-unit condo tower, or a 5-unit is more within your warehouse? You don't need to develop the real estate to impress others. Do whatever is within your means. Lastly, your risk tolerance. Are you in a position to take on a very unique project? Because with uniqueness comes with high risks. If you're not so aggressive with risks, maybe develop something that other people are developing, because that's likely a safer play. Once you find out what the market needs and find out what you truly want and what's within your means, you will be unstoppable. And if you are looking to learn how to develop real estate, own more real estate in more details, please check out these videos on this topic. We also offer one-on-one private consultations to help people develop and own more real estate. If you would like to speak with me directly, please go to my website, kailu.ca, to book a time. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave your comments and questions in the section below, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time.